I reckon today we'll look at getting the leaf springs sorted in the front of this pedal car. Just got some 25 by 3mm flat stock, which I will use just a little ring roller to roll that up. Make a little template out of cardboard just for the width of the mounting points for it and the height I want the spring to be, and then yeah, we'll just go from there. So what I'll do is I might throw it into a little time lapse and just try and capture bits and pieces along the way of yeah, making this front end come to life. So hopefully I didn't do too bad with that time lapse. A little bit weird having to worry about a camera strapped to your chest while you're doing what you do. But I'll turn this camera around now and just show you what it sort of looks like mocked up in place with the wheels on it and whatnot. So yeah, here we are.
Nice.
That's the overall look. Pretty happy with how that's turned out, height wise and everything like that. So what I did was just use a couple of M8 bolts and with some M8 coupler nuts here. I just welded those couplers to the frame of it. And then yeah, I drilled out these couplers on the leaf spring themselves. And then yeah, they just bolt straight through into the ones welded to the frame. Should be nice and solid. I will make up a little fake shock as well to go in here, which will also give a bit more strength to it, but I think it should be plenty strong enough for what we're trying to do here. So I might leave it there for this video. On the next one, what I might do is cover making the stacks for this thing. So we'll make the stacks and then cut out the hood of it and try and figure out a way to mount them in there. Thanks all for watching, it means a lot. If you could share the video around, try and get it out there a bit more, it would be excellent. Yeah, more people that can see it, the better. Just see where this thing heads, eh? Thank you.